Hi guys, we're going to show you a quick unboxing video for Huawei MateBook X Pro. We'll show you the box that it comes in, we'll power it on, share the specs and watch till the end when we have some interesting information about this product. So this is how the box looks like. In the interest of time, I've gone ahead and removed the shrink wrap. Pretty sturdy box, nice texture, nice feel, oozing of quality. At this stage there's another seal here which I've removed. There we go. This is how it's all packaged up. As you can see, there is a little tab which we will lift. The laptop comes out nicely. In the box you've got further two boxes. So we've taken out the product from its packaging. It feels really light. It is 1.3 kilograms and it does feel the same. Lifting the lid, and here you can see the screen. It does come with a screen protector, the keyboard layout and trackpad, as you can see. Also you can see that there is a sticker for the Intel i7, plus the fact that there is fingerprint scanner and a power button all combined into one, plus also there is the webcam which is cleverly concealed underneath the key. Press it and it pops out. It's a 1 megapixel front facing camera. So let's look at some interesting specs about this machine. The screen size is about 13.9 inches. Screen to body ratio is pretty impressive. It's at 91%, so that's a lot of real estate for a 14-inch screen. The resolution is about 3000 by 2000, 260 PPI. As you can see, the screen is very sharp, bright. The contrast ratio is 1500 by 1, which is fairly appropriate. Also, the processor for the machine I have is the 10th generation Intel i7 at about 1.8 gigahertz. This equates to a turbo up potential of 4.9 gigahertz. It can give you up to 13 hours of local video playback. I haven't tested that, but we will in due course see the battery performance as well. Audio comes with 4 speakers, 4 microphones. The sound quality is pretty good. From a storage standpoint, it comes in both 512 and 1 terabyte. So let's go back and have a look at the other two boxes. So as mentioned earlier, there are further two boxes. Nice and snug packing. So this is the box which comes with the user guide and the charging cable. As you can see, that's one cable. This is the additional auxiliary port where you have a USB, HDMI, and I believe a VGA connector. It is also contains the warranty card, and we're going to take out the other box. This should have the adapter in it. So taking that out, as this is a product that was purchased in the UK, it comes with the appropriate pins. It is also shrink wrapped. You can look at the details of this charger. As you can see, pretty slick, well built and fairly light. So that wraps our unboxing video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. We look forward to seeing you on our next video. I hope you enjoyed this and see you soon.